everybody, my name is Ali. Today I have my recipe that I want to share with you guys. It is tortitas de papa. They are called potato patties. Here are the ingredients. We're going to need some cheese, potatoes, some eggs, salt and pepper, and cooking oil, and some ham. What I did earlier, I got my potatoes already peeled and boiled. I have here 6 potatoes. They are medium-sized potatoes, so about this size here. And like I said, I got them ready because it makes it easier to handle the patty if the potatoes are cooled down. So they were boiled and set aside for about half an hour. So those are ready. And behind me, I have my frying pan already heating up. So when I'm done with my patties, I'm just gonna pour the oil and it's gonna be faster to get them fried and get dinner started. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make the patties. These potatoes, I cut them in quarters. So they're still pretty much, they're kind of chunky. So I'm gonna smash them up. I'm gonna smash them up with my smasher. And we're gonna make sure that we smash them all the way because we don't want any big chunks in there when we're making our patty. So I'm gonna put a lot of pressure here, break them all up. And they should be pretty soft. When you guys cook your potatoes, make sure that you guys cook them, touch them with a fork, poke them with a fork, and if they're pretty tender, that means that they're ready. You don't want any, you don't want your potatoes to be hard, or else it's just gonna be harder to smash them up. Mine are pretty soft, but even now it's pretty hard. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. They kind of, you see how they look? The texture is more like, it almost just looks like a clay, or you could touch it. And if you feel any chunks when you're running your hands through the potatoes, you could break them up with your fingers. Make sure that you guys have clean hands, because this recipe, once again, calls for us to be putting our hands in the mix. Okay, so I don't feel any more chunks in here. Well, maybe one. And if you do, you could just go back in here and smash them a little more. If you guys are gonna make, if you guys want more, just make more potatoes, because the more you want, the quantity, you need more. Okay, my potatoes feel like they're pretty smashed up. I'm gonna add my eggs. You know what, I'm gonna add my ham first. For the ham, I use 4 pieces and I dice them finely. And we could mix in our ham. You guys could also use turkey ham, any type of ham. Okay, so this is all coming together pretty nice. I'm gonna add my egg. The egg is gonna act like a paste to keep our potatoes from falling apart. And then here in this cup, I have queso fresco. This is a 1.5 cups of queso fresco. I'm gonna pour this in here. And everything just becomes super sticky. And the salt. This is to taste if you guys like them pretty salty or pretty seasoned. The same thing with the pepper. Okay, so this looks perfect. This is what we want our mix to look like to make the perfect patty. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll come back so I can show you guys how to put them in the fryer, okay? I'm gonna start cooking my tortitas de papa, and they are cooking at medium heat. So we wanna make them into a round ball here, just like this, and smash them down. Remember that we are trying to make just like a regular patty, And I think they're about 1/2 inch thick. Okay, let me drop this into the hot oil. It needs to be very hot. Smash them down. And even now they already smell pretty good. The cooking potatoes. See, into a circle. Smash it down. Oops, I dropped some. They might be a little sticky, but that's okay. That's just part of the texture. Drop it into the hot oil. Okay, I'm gonna finish making all these tortitas and I'll come back to show you guys the end result. My tortitas have been cooking on each side 2 to 4 minutes, and we are wanting to, we want our tortitas to look golden brown, just like this. So remember to turn them over and put them on I have here this large plate, and what I do, I have a napkin underneath to catch all the excess oil. I'm gonna continue on making my tortitas and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so my tortitas de papa are ready. This is what they look like. They are pretty good size, see, and they sit together pretty well. Today I'm gonna have mine with a spinach salad with some tomato slices. I think the tortitas balance themselves out pretty well with the fresh salad. And one more thing, I wanted to tell you guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying all my recipes. I hope you guys try this one at home. If you guys do, don't forget to let me know how it turned out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so you could be part of the Modern Mom Ali family. I'll see you guys very soon. Keep your notifications on so you guys could keep posted on all my recipes coming up. I'm gonna have dinner now, and I'm gonna enjoy my tortitas. I'll see you guys soon, and provecho.